Imagine waking up to a headline that shatters reality. New discovery: Earth is the only planet in the universe. No Mars, no gas giants, no exoplanets, not even a rogue rock drifting through space. Just us, a lone, fragile sphere floating in a cosmic void. But how could that be possible? And what would it mean for science, religion, the future of space travel, and our place in the universe? This scenario defies everything we know about cosmology. According to current science, planets form as a natural byproduct of star formation. Gas and dust spin into disks around young stars, forming planets over millions of years. There are estimated to be more planets than stars in the observable universe. That's over 100 billion galaxies, each with billions of stars, and even more planets. So to imagine a universe with only one planet, Earth, means reimagining the very laws of astrophysics. Let's suppose, for this thought experiment, the Big Bang happened. But something was different. What if the fundamental forces or the distribution of matter prevented planetary formation? Maybe gravity behaved differently. Maybe the universe formed with almost no heavy elements, just enough for one solar system and one rocky planet. In this alternate universe, Earth still forms, somehow, but the rest of the universe is eerily empty. No planetary systems, no moons, no possibility of alien life, just stars, nebulae, and galaxies filled with nothing but radiation and stardust. At first, astronomers assume their telescopes are malfunctioning. They can see distant galaxies and stars, but every time they look for exoplanets, they come up short. Years go by, technology improves, still no planets. Eventually, the truth becomes impossible to ignore. Earth is unique. The scientific community goes into a frenzy. Papers are published, debates erupt. If we're the only planet, does that mean life is exclusive to Earth? Or are we just a cosmic fluke in a universe not meant to support worlds? SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, shuts down. NASA halts exoplanet missions. No more probes to Mars or Europa. They never existed in this reality. The Drake equation, which estimates the likelihood of alien civilizations, collapses to zero. Humanity experiences a wave of existential shock. We always thought we were one of many. Now we're not just alone on our planet. We're alone in every possible way. This discovery sends shockwaves beyond science. Religious groups see it as confirmation of divine creation. Philosophers argue whether life has more meaning or less. Some say it makes Earth special. Others say it proves the universe is hostile to life. New belief systems emerge. Some worship Earth as a sacred anomaly, a living jewel in a dead cosmos. Others spiral into nihilism, believing life is an accident, destined to fade without witnesses. With no planets to colonize, the dream of interplanetary life dies. But a new vision emerges. Preserve Earth at all costs. Global cooperation spikes. Environmentalism becomes a planetary mandate. Wars decrease. Resources are pooled to ensure Earth's long-term survival. We build underground cities, launch orbital habitats, and perfect space-based solar power. Not to explore, but to endure. Earth is no longer a launch pad. It is the ark of all known life. Even without other planets, the universe still holds mysteries. Could we travel to other star systems just to study them? Could we build artificial planets or space habitats? Could we terraform asteroids or moons, if any exist at all? With no planetary systems to visit, interstellar travel loses its destination, but not its wonder. We might still send generational ships or build Dyson swarms around stars for energy. We'd become more like cosmic caretakers than explorers. Eventually, a chilling thought surfaces. What if the universe looks this way because it was designed that way? Some theorists suggest we might be inside a simulation or artificial reality where Earth is the only rendered planet. Everything else is just visual filler. Why simulate a billion lifeless planets when you only need one? Or perhaps some higher intelligence created this setup intentionally to test us, to protect us, or to isolate us. The Fermi paradox takes on a whole new meaning. We're alone because we were meant to be. If Earth was the only planet in the universe, it would reshape everything, from science to spirituality, from our future to our very identity. We'd stop asking, "Are we alone?" and start asking, "Why us?" In a universe of infinite stars and zero worlds, Earth would be the only spark of light in a sea of cosmic darkness, and it would be up to us to keep it alive. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.